When you're modeling Jesus, I love that even the disciples told the kids. I always imagine that story, Miss Joyce, of because I like to put things in modern context because they are real stories. So if they were to happen today, what would it look like? And so I imagine Jesus and the disciples in the food court of the mall, you know, and Jesus and the disciples. I mean, the disciples have gone down to, you know, Sears, if they even have Sears anymore, to get some camping equipment. And you know, Peter and Jesus are standing in front of Chick-fil-A because it's a Christian company and they're about to order. And these little kids, their moms are homeschool moms. And so they're in comas. They just have gone to the mall for a lesson on capitalism because they're so tired of these children. And the little boys are over here, you know, table. They're, you know, eating sugar. And one of them recognizes Jesus. And they make a beeline for Jesus. And Peter, one of the three closest to Jesus, says, no. Y'all hold up. Y'all are all sticky. You got apple pie goo on your shirt. You can go to the bathroom, clean yourselves up. Yeah. Then when you come back here, you form a single file line. And Jesus says, no, Pete, you let them pass. And those kids just launch themselves, messy, sticky kids, into the lap of the Messiah. In my own tiny little world, it's been in the places where he has rocked me out of a comfort zone that I'm actually most alert because I'm kind of thrown. I don't have my bearings and I need his voice. I can't step without breaking my ankle if he doesn't tell me where to step. So I think some of it is his kindness going, I know if you stay in that place where you figured it out, you're going to be less likely to turn to me for direction. And so I'm going to basically mess things up so you can't walk out your plan, because if you walk out your plan, you're not going to walk in the plan. It's messy. And it's all about people. And it doesn't matter if your sermon rhymes. It doesn't matter how many followers. It matters how well you love the people God allows you to rub shoulders with. That's the gospel. He made himself nothing to be made in human form to love us, wrap things like us. We could at least do some measure of that same kindness toward
and
the
we
people
have to remind
we get
ourselves of this all the time, over and over and over. I preach about this a lot, and if nothing else, I preach it for me, because we are so naturally selfish and self-centered that we really, it's something that you have to keep in front of you. Something you have to do on purpose.